Hello. Today I'm going to talk about the floor construction of my timber buildings because it's a very crucial part of the way my buildings are constructed. Now if I can just show you the base here, you'll notice that there are beams going through in both directions, and these are the same sort of beams that you'd have in the floor of your upstairs home. The difference is here though that there's a lot more of them and therefore smaller gaps, so my floors are even more rigid than the floor you'd find at home upstairs. What I then also do is, in all of the gaps, I fill it with rock wool mineral slab insulation. Now not everyone bothers to insulate the floor, but you still get a bit of heat loss and a bit of cold working its way in to the floor. So I like to make sure all my building is insulated, including the floor, to make sure that it's a really cosy building to use all year round with very minimal need of heating. Finally, I'll then put boarding over it, which is 18mm thick flooring board, and what that'll do is help enclose all the insulation but give you a good strong rigid floor to put your final floor covering on. Now what all this means is that during the course of construction I make sure that the quality is high, that it's well insulated, and so that your buildings really will last a lifetime, and it's something that you can use all the year round without the worry of having to spend a lot on heating to keep it warm because it's so well insulated. So I look forward to seeing you in the next stage of the construction.